Hi, I'm Lynn from T. Rose Mandalas, and today I'm going to show you how to put together the mold riser for the very, very large heart silicone mold. Now when you get the mold riser, you get it like this. And so we'll take it out of the bag, and this is what it looks like. You get the instructions and you get your dowels. So what you're going to do is open this little bag up and pull out your dowels. There we go. And all these black circles show where the dowels will go. So the first thing we'll do is we'll push it down and push it in. Now sometimes you're going to need a mallet or a hammer. You don't have to pound real hard, but just to get it in there so it's steady. So now keep going. There's not too many to do on this one. Sometimes it's easier to turn it over and do it. There we go. Now we're doing it. They seem to go in real easy. And then I'll go through and pound them in to make sure that they're in there completely. All right, that one's giving me a little trouble. There we go. Sorry, that's my dog. She doesn't like it when I pound on things. There we go. All right, terrific. See? Now all of the pegs are in their place. Let me see if you can see that. I want to make sure that you can see that. And then you take your mold and you place it right on there. On every single one, you just put it on there. There we go. Now you're ready to make your mold. And it makes it so that before, if you just don't use the silicone mold, the mold riser, you can make a nice heart, and it's very flat on the top because it's like this and it's sitting on the surface. But when you make one with the mold riser, you get a very, very thick one. In fact, I've measured this, and it's 3/4 of an inch higher, and it is much more round on the top. So whichever one you like to do. If you want the big round one, then use the mold riser. If you like this flat surface, then don't. So, thank you very much for watching, and please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you later. Bye for now.